Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. First, ensure you have all the necessary items. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these ready makes the process quick and easy, so let's get started right away. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, why not bring your space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing your favorite tunes or getting quick answers. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Pay close attention to how it's positioned, noting which side faces up. This helps ensure correct installation of the new one. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. It should pop out with minimal effort. Now take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Press it down gently to ensure it's securely in place. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap shut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.